Greetings, cognitive conjurers and enlightened futurists. Have you ever felt like you're channeling the strategic brilliance of Doctor Strange, defying time and space to map out a vision for the future? With his potent mastery of the magical arts and strategic manipulation of timelines, he embodies the conceptual prowess of an INTJ. Or maybe you carry the unwavering determination of Thanos, steadfast on an unfaltering inner objective, willing to journey to the ends of the universe for the endgame. Let's unravel the intricate tapestry of the enigmatic INTJ or the strategizing mystic. Ready your magical staves and temporal loops, it's time to begin our mystical voyage. In the immersive universe of geek psychology, the strategizing mystics, or INTJs, are intuitive masterminds. Their minds are crafting a nexus of strategy and foresight all the time. Much like Doctor Strange predicting over 14 million outcomes in search of one victorious path. INTJs are always playing the long game, looking beyond the immediate constraints of known reality. If we imagine your personality as a party of RPG heroes, each character represents a different cognitive function, critical in your interactions with life. In leveling up in the game of life, understanding their strengths and blind spots is the key to victory. Adventuring within the INTJ's cognitive party are these primary characters. Number 1, the hero. Introverted Intuition, NI, or the visioning mystic. Like the time stone in Doctor Strange's possession, INTJs use NI to see into the future, forming complex patterns and conceptual bridges. They also use brief moments of trance to allow for insights that can reshape and reframe the view of reality. The mentor, extroverted thinking, TE, the strategizing commander. This guy shouts strategy, efficiency, and execution. He's steering the spaceship, always keeping his eye on the cosmic prize. 3, the sidekick, introverted feeling, FI, the resonating soul. This quiet presence ensures an INTJ stays true to their authentic self. Think baby Groot's innocent and raw emotional honesty. Number 4, the maverick. Extroverted sensing, SE, also known as the engaging adventurer. This character is all about tossing an elixir of perception to the INTJ, nudging them to savor the present moment, instead of just teleporting onto the future horizon and distancing themselves from reality. Every master sorcerer or epic avatar needs a strategy to level up their skills. So first, touch base with feelings. Learn to tune into your emotional frequencies as well as your logical circuits. It's all about emotional intelligence. Define what's important to you and create the strategies to see it through. Second, ground yourself in the now. The present moment is as essential as future visions. Regularly practice mindfulness to connect with the surrounding reality that you actually are in. This gives your mystic a chance to take a break and rejuvenate as well. Third, embrace the chaos. Not every aspect of life can be planned for. Learn to navigate through unexpected twists and turns. Make a plan, sure, but know that it will change when it encounters reality. So there you have it, our epic journey through the celestial pathways of the INTJ, the strategizing mystic. Share your revelations in the comments below, and remember that the quest for knowledge is the greatest journey. If this delve into the realm of geek psychology and personifying your personality type resonated with you, then go ahead and snap the like button and see what happens. Maybe I'll see you in another video.